After the unboxing, the first step. Place the charging base back to wall. Keep the robot's docking and departing path clear of all obstacles. An important notice: remove the wheel stoppers. Now we can put the machine into the place. After the unboxing, the first step. This step takes some brutal force. Now we can put the machine into the place. An important notice: remove the wheel stoppers. Removed wheel stoppers.